Good morning, everyone. I get a lot of questions asking, where do I start in the video library? How do I have access to it? What do I do? It's a little bit overwhelming. There's so many videos. Where should I start and how should I do it? So I'm going to make this quick video kind of showing you guys how to get into the video library and kind of where to start if you're a brand new trader or a brand new member to MIC. So first things first, this is the website, myinvestingclub.com. You go to videos here and you click this button and you sign in with your Slack account. So the workspace is My Investing Club, and your login is the same login that you use to kind of get into Slack. So I'm going to log in here. So these are all the categories that we have: the DVD categories, the strategy categories, the trade recaps, and then the rest of the categories. So if you're a brand new trader who doesn't know anything about trading, the first thing you should do is start with the trading basics videos. So go all the way to the last page and start at the beginning. So this is kind of like a tutorial on terms. This is basic kind of order entry. This is PDT, brokers, kind of Joe's like first 10 to 15 episodes explain the basics of trading. And then he really dives deep into kind of data tracking and, building a system and trigger orders and pivots and all this other stuff. So if you're a brand new trader, you should start with the trading basics series. After that, what you should do is start diving into the daily recaps. And the Instagram lives are great, but what you really should be looking at is, again, start at the last page for everything, right? Start at the last page, start at the beginning, so that you know kind of where you're at. So these are the thumbnails that you should be looking for, like kind of Bow's screen, because he goes back and what he basically does is in these daily recaps, he recaps his trades for the day, and every one of them is different, like must watch on cutting losses. Like you have to be watching this stuff. Zombie moves. What is a zombie move? We say zombie move in the room all the time. So you have to have the foundation from the videos before you should really dive into looking at the screen and seeing what there is. Because the truth of the matter is that yes, screen time is important. But if you don't know what to look for, then the screen time is useless. So go from trading basics, go to these daily recaps. The Instagram lives are more of the mental aspect of trading that I try to talk about. So you could kind of leave those for a little bit later unless it's like a topic that you're very interested in. And then after that, you want to dive deep into the Trading Fish videos. These are mostly live trading videos where Bao is trading live. These are very, very important to watch. The Trading Fish 1 has 3 videos. I think the Trading Fish 2 has 4 videos or 5 videos. So the process to watch it is Trading Basics, Daily Recap, Trading Fish Academy 2. Then if you want to kind of get more complex with things, you could watch the fundamental analysis videos where it's kind of like the deep dive into the financials of a company that Chicago Trader teaches you. So that's kind of where to start. Then what you want to do is you want to kind of learn our strategy, right? You want to learn what we're kind of teaching the members. So the first bounce strategy is a very popular strategy. It's a long strategy. The deathline strategy is a shorting strategy. The first red day is a shorting strategy. And then you want to kind of dive deep into these strategy Q&A webinars with Austin. So what Austin ends up doing is in these webinars, he basically does a quick trade recap. He talks about the topics that he wants to discuss for the night. And then he opens it up to like an hour-long Q&A for members. So this is something also very important to watch. I understand that the video library can get a bit overwhelming at times, but after you finish all those videos, then it's just a matter of going through the trade recaps, long trade recaps, the highlights, and then anything else you want in this section over here. We went to New York City at the stock exchange, so we have a video of the New York Stock Exchange. Bao did a couple videos on the FAQs of trading. If you want to learn how to read tape, we have 2 videos on tape reading, and we also have like multiple hour-long videos on just the tape. So after you watch the tape reading videos, you can kind of click on these videos and watch the tape kind of unfold live. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, you could kind of just mess around. There's new videos usually every single day. The newest videos are usually here. I do my best to upload the videos every single day into the library, so you could kind of scroll back. So if you go next, all the way to the end, that's kind of going to be the first video, but I suggest going through the categories first. So again, if you're a brand new trader, start with Trading Basics, and then as you advance, as you get better, you go into the Trading Fish Academy, and then kind of the day-to-day stuff if you want to learn the strategy, what we're teaching, the first bounce strategy, the death line strategy, the first red day strategy, All these things are important, right? But unless you have the fundamental base of how these things work from the beginners videos, then these strategies won't really make sense because you won't understand how to kind of execute them. So if you guys have any questions, you could PM me in chat. I'll always be around, and I hope this video is helpful. Thanks. Also, one last thing I forgot to mention is our schedule for content. So every Monday, I do an Instagram live. Every Tuesday, Bao does an Instagram live. You could find those in the daily recap section. Every Wednesday, Tosh hosts a new member webinar and a Q&A webinar. So at 2 p.m. market time, Tosh will go and start a webinar, and he'll kind of navigate people around the MIC website, show them how to access some of our cool features in Slack, and then he will open it up to a Q&A for everybody. So that's on Wednesday. Thursday are the strategy Q&As with Austin, where he basically, again, brings up a topic that he wants to talk about, whether it be conviction or trading psychology, goes through it, and then has about an hour-long Q&A with the members after that. On Friday, we release a long trading recap, or a short one lately because Austin's been kind of flip-flopping a little bit. The market's kind of been slow in the summer, so it's more for shorting. So we release those every Friday. Every Saturday, we have the Saturday morning Q&A, which you could find here in Weekend Mentoring. So every Saturday at 1 p.m. market time, in here, we're going to have a Q&A. And then on Sunday, we have the Trading Basics series that comes out, and we have the Fundamental Analysis series that comes out. So every Monday and Tuesday, Instagram Live. Every Wednesday, Tosh webinar. Thursday at 7 p.m. Aloha webinar. Friday, Aloha video. Saturday morning Q&A. And Sunday, 2 new videos. So we have a video almost every single day. So I just kind of wanted to mention our schedule just in case you guys don't know what's going on. So we try our best to post new videos every single day. So be sure to check back into the video library to get access to it.